Hi, my name is Bree, and today we are making cookies for tomorrow, which is day 3. I'm going to open this up and find out what we're going to make. We are going to make rich peanut butter cookies for day 3. So that's going to be fun. These have little bells on this. Alright, so let's figure this out. Sorry, I'm just getting the recipe out. And it's on like an index card. I'll bring you in so you can see it, but you know, no, she cut this out of like a cardboard box or something. It's like cardboard. But let's go ahead and see that. So we have, it could have been like a sugar box almost, because it's for branded for sugar, C and H sugar. Anyway, we're gonna use the sugar. We're gonna have shortening, soft butter, peanut butter, brown sugar, regular sugar, eggs, sifted flour, baking soda, and baking powder and salt. So then we're gonna cream it all together, beat in eggs one at a time, combine flour, soda, and all that, stir in cream mixture, and then we're gonna chill. Oh man, that small little word kills me every time. Chill, but never tells me how long to chill. Then we're gonna flour our hands, shape the dough into 1-inch balls, place on a greased cookie sheet, flatten with fork, and bake for 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Makes about 6 dozen cookies. Oh my gosh. We're definitely gonna be sharing these at work. Hopefully they're good. Alright, I'm gonna get all the ingredients out and be right back with you. Okay, we're all ready. I got a big bowl. So first step, we're gonna cream together shortening, butter, peanut butter, and sugar. So I tried to soften my butter, but I wouldn't overdo it, so that's fine. We're just gonna throw it all in there and hope for the best. And then, okay, but peanut butter's in there too. Whatever. You know, it would be like the ultimate convenience? Selling peanut butter in pre-measured cups. So we don't have to do this. Just around the holidays. And sugar. So we need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar packed and a 1/2 cup of regular sugar. Okay. Just my brown sugar. This is a 1/4 cup, so I'm going to do 2 of those. And since I'm making a lot of cookies, I decided to get a bigger container for brown sugar. Kind of a good thing. All right, I'll do that later. Okay. And another little piece. There we go. Sugar time. All done. Now we're gonna cream this all together. And hopefully not make a big mess if I have pals. Thankfully, I just washed them. They're a little wet, but they're okay. Please don't make a big mess. Okay, I got all the chunks broken up. Next up, we are going to beat in eggs one at a time. I don't like that idea. I'm just gonna dump in 2 eggs. Looks like it's creamy just fine. Okay, so the next part, you need 1.5 cups of flour. I put that in my sifter already. And you're supposed to combine it with all the dry ingredients, so I think it's gonna do that just fine in the sifter. So we're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I don't like putting that in my sifter, so we're just gonna put that right in the mixer. And you're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda. Right, and then did I get everything? No vanilla anywhere in this. Okay, I got flour, baking soda, sugar, eggs. Okay, that's all that goes in here. No vanilla. I'm just so used to putting vanilla in every cookie recipe. I'm half tempted just to put some vanilla in there right now, but that would just make it even better. And I'm going to put vanilla in it, even though the recipe doesn't say to do it. Just a little bit, because I love vanilla. Then we're going to mix it all up carefully. I don't want flour all over me today. I got my Harry Potter shirt on. I'm trying not to get flour all over me. Mainly because it's black and it will show everything. Okay, it says to chill. You saw the recipe with me. It doesn't say how long. So I'm gonna stick it in, heat my oven, and we're gonna chill for as long as it takes for my oven to preheat, which unfortunately is like 20 minutes. And as long as it takes for me to clean up all this mess I just made. I'll be right back with you, however long I decide to take to chill. Okay, it's been like 40 minutes and my oven is now preheated. Yay. So, you're supposed to roll this out into balls. I'm not doing that, I got a scoop. And then bake for 8 to 10 minutes. The first night I was really burned on the size of the cookie, so from now on I decided to get a test tray. Cook 4 at once and see how much they spread and how big of a cookie I actually want, because these might actually be too big of a cookie for me. I don't know. Peanut butter cookies aren't really supposed to spread, but since this is the first time, we're just gonna cook 4. So then you're supposed to roll them out and then you're supposed to push them down, and hopefully this cookie stays this size, because if it stays this size, it means it fits in this box. If not, I'm gonna have to half this scoop. And you can do any kind of pattern you want. I'm just doing the recommended pattern for these cookies. What? The peanut butter cookies, like that. I'm gonna bake this round for 8 to 10 minutes and show you what it looks like. Okay, So I got my test batch out of the oven, and they're huge. There's no way, for frame of reference, that this is going to fit in this cookie. It's bigger than the box. So I'm going to half these and bake them, and hopefully they turn out smaller, because otherwise I can't put them in the box. If you want ginormous cookies, do that size. I've already started making them half, and I put a smaller batch in there. I'll show you what that looks like later when it comes out. But hopefully these taste good because they smell amazing. Okay, I cut them in half, and look how much smaller these things are. They still spread a little bit, but they're so much better. I think these ones will fit in the box, but just barely. So I'm definitely gonna make smaller batches. Here's what the little cookies look like, small before they go in the oven, and they turn out that size. So they do spread a little bit. Keep that in mind if you're baking. All right, I'll see you the next time, tomorrow morning when the kids try these, or probably tomorrow afternoon, because we don't do cookies for breakfast. Everybody loved the peanut butter cookies. 4 bulbs out of 4. Honestly, that was one of my favorite peanut butter cookie recipes I think I've ever tasted. Looking forward to tomorrow's cookie.